Welcome to CodingCraft. In this video, we'll solve a real coding interview puzzle from Meta called Director of Photography. We'll walk through both Level 1 and Level 2, starting with a straightforward approach, then scaling it up for more demanding constraints. Let's get started. We're given a row of n cells, each one marked as a photographer, actor, backdrop, or left empty. Our goal is to find all valid artistic photo arrangements. A photo is artistic if the actor is between the photographer and the backdrop, and both distances fall within the allowed range, between x and y inclusive. In Level 1, the maximum n is just 200, so we can afford a near brute force solution. We loop over each actor and check for valid photographers and backdrops within the allowed distance range. Here's the solution for Level 1. We first collect the indices of all actors, photographers, and backdrops. Then, for each actor, we check every photographer and backdrop to see if the actor is between them, and both distances fall within the allowed range. Since n is small, this solution runs efficiently. Level 2 has exactly the same rules and structure as Level 1, but the input size is much larger. With n going up to 300,000, our earlier solution would be too slow. So, we need to take a different approach, one that reduces the time complexity and processes the input efficiently. To handle Level 2 efficiently, we use prefix sums to track how many photographers and backdrops appear before each position. Then, for each actor, we check how many valid placements exist on both sides within the allowed range, and multiply the counts to get the number of artistic photographs. This is the optimized solution for Level 2. We first pre-compute photographer and backdrop counts at every position. Then, for each actor, we calculate how many valid photographers and backdrops exist within the distance range, and use prefix sum differences to compute them in constant time. We've solved Meta's Director of Photography puzzle, tackling both Level 1 with a simple loop and Level 2 with an optimized prefix sum solution. If you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe to CodingCraft for more real-world coding challenges explained clearly, step by step.